Hello folks, here's a quick guide of how you can make an image cutout without downloading or installing any app by just directly going to lightxeditor.com. As you probably know, just go to the LightX Editor in your browser, go to the Editor Tools and click on the Cutout option. Here you can see me selecting Upload Image, and this time out of these three options, I'm selecting an image from via stock, which provides copyright-free stock images. Let's go with this one. Perfect. Now, the Smart Select tool will be selected by default. All you need to do is scribble on the object you want to cut out in your image. The AI technology of the tool will automatically detect the selected area and highlight it for the cutout. Now click on the next button and there you go. Your cutout is ready. You can go to the Edit Cutout section and do the necessary refinements. Here you can see I have marked on the canvas, which I don't want, so I can remove the selected area with the Smart Eraser. You can play around with Magic Brush and Magic Eraser or any specific details you want in the cutout. You can also do some of the transformations like scale, rotate, or reposition your cutout as per your requirements. And perfect. Now click Apply and there you are. Looks good, doesn't it? Lastly, don't forget to name your project from untitled to preferable name. And to download, just go to the top right corner and choose your desired format. Here I'm choosing the PNG format as it keeps the transparency in the image. Since I'm okay with the existing resolution, I'll simply hit the download button to save it on my device. That's it. Super fun and quick, isn't it? And that's how you can make an image cutout. If you have any questions, let us know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like these, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And while you're at it, hit that like button. Thanks for watching.